Today we have focused on the white elements, and we've played with white flowers, white linen, white decor, very light, very minimalistic, and it appeals to couples who like things very plain. So what we've done is we've worked with white tables. We also worked with white tablecloths. We've used silver moon cutlery, which brings out a beautiful element next to the glass underplates. We've got a lovely candelabra that we've worked with, and we've also, on the table behind me, we've got glass vases. The glass brings out a lovely fresh element on the white. You can also replace glass. You can work with adding color, for example. So even something simple like a pewter or a rose gold or even gold works really lovely with white. Chairs to go with the white setup. You can work with ghost chairs, which works fantastically with picking up the glass elements on your table. Or you can go with white Tiffany chairs, for example, and there the chairs pick up the beautiful white elements of the table. If you want to bring in some elements of size, there you can play with a really nice centerpiece, working with, for example, a candelabra with a lovely, either a draped flower bouquet down through the center, or you can use candles. It creates a lovely centerpiece on your plain white table. Should you want to go with smaller, you can do that as well. And again, you can play with different sizes and different heights. When we look at flowers, the flowers really do make your table absolutely beautiful. So you can go there with very plain. You can stick to, for example, white protea, something very simple and very elegant, playing with your height there with candles and candelabra, or you can do beautiful soft tapered flowers in white. Should you want to bring in some elements of color, we have brides that stick to very white, neat, clean looks, but bring in, for example, soft pastel colors, or if you really want to, you can go brighter. So this look appeals to a bride who's looking for a very clean look, a very pure look. And sometimes the elements of the venue also help for the bride to determine what type of style of table they would like. So something very elegant, very classy, yet very pure. Things to keep in mind when deciding on this theme would be to have a good discussion with your venue and decide what do they have for you to use. Work with that. The venue generally incorporates elements of architecture, of their architecture, and decides what theme goes with it. So should you want to go more plain, perhaps you could look for a venue that has elements of plain and purity. For example, chandeliers hanging from the roof, or a certain type of lighting, or certain types of windows and arches. If you're looking for a venue that offers more a rustic theme, then your decor will possibly fit in with that. So for this specific shoot, things to keep into consideration would definitely be your venue.